wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best children's easels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Lightweight and made of colorful plastic, the Crayola Qwik Flip is the classic crayon company's take on an affordable dual-sided kids canvas. Built with toddlers in mind, it includes alphabet and number magnets to use on the whiteboard, as well as paint cups and brushes. It comes with chalk and dry erase surfaces and integrated clips to hold paper. However, there are many small pieces to keep track of. At number 9, the bright and colorful elk and bear for toddlers is ideal for little ones who stand or sit low to the ground. When your child grows a bit, you can use it as a tabletop model to extend its life. It folds flat for easy carrying from room to room using the handle on top. It arrives already assembled, but there are no grips on the feet, and the magnetic letters are very thin. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the faber-castell portable art kit offers all the fun of a stand-up set, but in a compact, travel-sized package. It comes with over 30 pencils, markers and crayons, plus a sketch pad. It makes a good lap desk and includes a built-in carrying handle. However, the chalkboard is plastic. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Hape All-in-One is equipped with a wooden frame with bright red accents and features a simple, straightforward system for making height adjustments. The wood it's made from comes from sustainable forests, but it is a lot smaller than similar models, and it takes non-standard sized paper rolls. Moving up our list to number 6. For little ones just learning their ABCs, the Step 2 for 2 comes with 77 foam alphabet and number magnets that can be arranged all over the metal dry erase side. It conveniently folds flat for storage, though you will need to empty the bins every time you close it. It wipes clean with soap and water and is easy to assemble. However, the wide frame reduces the usable area. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're looking for something that won't detract from your home's decor, the Kid Kraft Wood comes in a clean white finish with chalk and whiteboard sides and a paper dispenser at the top. It also includes 2 anti-spill paint cups. The chalkboard is traditional green and there's a storage shelf on the bottom, but neither board is magnetic. At number 4, if you only have room for a tabletop art station, the Alex Toys Artist Studio still offers all the bells and whistles, like a small paper roll, plus surfaces for chalk, magnets and dry erase markers. This travel-friendly setup includes mini paint cups too. It's made of wood and plastic and no assembly is required. However, it needs anti-skid pads on the feet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Little Partners Deluxe Learn and Play is thoughtfully designed with wide trays and 2 roomy storage shelves below. It's offered in a variety of neutral and fun colors and comes with 2 attractive fabric bins to keep the art supplies organized. It's equipped with 4 clips for drying paintings and is constructed from sturdy pine and finished with a non-toxic paint. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the versatile US Art Supply 3-sided provides the ideal creative space for large families. It has 3 panels, 2 for chalk and 1 dry erase, which can be arranged in any order. Each board can be mounted at a different height to accommodate for artists of any age. It includes a solid beechwood frame and trays, large knobs for easy adjustments, and a roll of paper. And taking the top spot on our list, the Melissa & Doug Deluxe is a popular choice as it offers an extra large usable area on both sides. It comes with an integrated butcher paper roller in the center and a child-safe paper cutter. It features an adjustable height, roomy art supply trays, and 4 easy grip clips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video.